Hey everyone! In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to make a cool counting numbers effect in CapCut. Perfect for countdowns, stat reveals, or dynamic intros. Let's get started! Step 1. Open CapCut and tap New Project. Add a black background or your desired video where you want the numbers to appear. Step 2. Tap on Text, then Add Text. Type your first number, for example, 1, and adjust the font, size, and position. Step 3. Duplicate the text layer multiple times by tapping Copy. Change the number in each layer, like from 1 to 10, or however long you want it to count. Step 4. Trim each text layer so it lasts about 0.5 to 1 second, depending on how fast you want the counting effect. Step 5. To make it cooler, add simple transitions like fade in, or use keyframes to animate the numbers, sliding or scaling in. Bonus tip. Want it automatic? Use CapCut's template search bar and look up counting numbers. You might find ready-made ones you can just plug your content into. And that's how you create a counting numbers effect in CapCut. Quick and simple. If this helped, give it a like and subscribe to How to Tutor for more fast tutorials. See you next time!